So this is a quick demo of the robotic arms overhead gantry. It is a 400 millimeter screw drive that's 12 volts. You can see up there on top, you can see the screw drive right there. So I'm going to manually control it with my my control here. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Right now I'm manually controlling this. I do have a stepper drive connected to a Raspberry Pi that's going to do the micro stepping. For right now, I'm just manually controlling it. I can control the direction. I can control the speed, make it go really fast. I can slow it down. And it's just going back and forth. And that's pretty much it for this video. I can show off one more thing, and that I mapped the game controller to a Raspberry Pi. You can see my Raspberry Pi is right here. So I mapped the game controller to control the robotic arm. So if I go with one direction, I move my robotic arm and the buttons. So I did a little bit of mapping of the buttons on the wireless game controller that's connected to my Pi, so I can go anywhere in the room. And let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to hold this and push buttons. So I can open up the gripper, as you can see right there. Alright. And then I can move back and forth, and I'm going to control the direction of the arms. And now I'm going to rotate. I'm going to rotate left, so rotate left, right, back and forth. And that's it for this video. So thank you for your time, and if you would like, please subscribe for more stuff I can show on this page. More features I would like to show off in a couple days from now. I installed this other robotic arm, so I have 3 robotic arms with cameras. So this is about 4 Raspberry Pis and about a dozen H-bridge drivers. Alright guys, thank you for your time.